Circulating collections are at the heart of what the UT Libraries is all about. Almost nothing we collect was meant to last in perpetuity. Circulating materials are made to be used. There's a lot of wear and tear, so we have processes in place to make repairs to those things. We take care of them. And we have a great team of people who all work on that together.
It's really important to preserve these things that we hold in our library collections because they are just important cultural artifacts.
We have an amazing team who are very passionate about the work that they do.
People don't know how much work happens behind the scenes to take care of our collections.
We have a vast array of materials that we need to preserve. We have books and items on paper. We have photographs, we have negatives.
Different AV material like pneumatic tapes or VHSs, sound recordings.
We have a preservation unit in PCL where we take care of those kinds of materials. If we need very in-depth conservation treatment, that's where we turn to the Campus Conservation Initiative conservator and ask for them to help by taking the item to the ransom center where they have different kinds of equipment and different tools.
We also have a team in the library for digital preservation.
We're creating a digital copy of an item that can serve as a surrogate for the original item, especially if that item is really old or fragile.
That helps reduce the amount of handling, but we keep the physical object under the best possible conditions.
We acquire tens of thousands of volumes each year, and that adds up to almost a mile worth of shelf space every year.
We are not creating any new storage places on campus.
We understand the importance of providing good quality preservation environment.
We've got a facility in North Austin. It's a high-density storage facility.
Stable conditions, low temperature, low humidity. That allows us to continue buying print material and still have somewhere that is preservation quality storage to put the collections that we don't keep on our shelves here.
Our role is really to make sure that the university has resources, that those resources are cared for, and that they will be available to future generations as well.
We want to provide enduring access to these materials that we've been collecting for over 140 years. All the work that happens behind the scenes to take care of the collections in all the ways that we do is at the core of the work of the library.